I'm sure you're
Yes.
well aware na this week allegations cropped up that the ICC investigators, whilst they were conducting their investigation, were quote-unquote wined and dined. And also that all of their expenses on the ground, including accommodation and transportation, were shouldered by Zaldico. And of course, plus that you also received a bribe as well, including for the ICC investigators. What do you have to say to that?
Just like the last time that you had me on your show, on your program, I denied everything. Hindi totoo yan. Gawa-gawa nila yan. $2 million. That's absurd. Paano ko to ibinigay? It's not even in their affidavit. It was just in their insinuated in that press con. So, again, ulitin ko, wala akong natanggap na $2 million or any amount para sa ICC operations o for any other purpose. So, wala akong natanggap dyan kay Zaldico. Hindi totoo yan. Ngayon, itong intention nito talaga is to tarnish the ICC reputation and sabotage even the whole ICC proceedings. And I wouldn't be surprised later on nagagamitin ni Kaufman yan, yung ginawa nila nung Tuesday as part of a justification to call for a mistrial para lang hindi matuloy itong paglilitis kay Duterte. Kasi alam nyo, these ICC people, they're very, very professional. Nakita nyo naman. At even yung presentation ng evidence, why would you want to get in the way of that? Pag nag-offer ka pa ng suhol, baka lalo ka pa mapasama dyan sa mga yan. So it's not true. And makita nyo sila, ang mga sinabi lang nila, pumunta rito sa hotel, pumunta rito sa ganito, minute nila ito. Ang tanong dito, okay, nagsundo ka, naghatid ka sa mga ICC nung ikaw ay security team detail doon. Assuming that's true, what's illegal about that? What is wrong about that? Then suddenly, alam mo pati yung kung sino ang nagbayad ng hotel, bayad ng ano, bakit? Paano mo nalaman? Even as a member of the security detail, ano ka? Ikaw yung nakikiusyoso ka doon? Di ba? They should have presented that. Dapat napakita nila na talagang lahat nung binabayaran dito, ginagastos ng ICC team, iba ang nagbabayad. Wala naman silang present ng no. They just claimed it without even presenting anything.
Well,
Tapos,
even
yung ginawa nila na in-expose nila yung identities of the ICC investigators, pati yung mga witnesses, yun ang violation ng Article 70 of the Rome Statute, and they're going to be liable for obstruction of justice by the ICC itself because nilagay nila sa panganib yung mga investigators and the witnesses.
Yeah. Well, you're right. Even the ICC itself has already issued a statement denying all of that and clarifying that they conduct their missions independently and they shoulder all their own costs. But sir, meron pa, there's another part of that allegation. The ICC investigators now only interviewed the hand-picked witnesses that you chose and that you referred to them, and that they conduct an independent witness search. Is that true?
That's not true. Okay, ito unang-una, even assuming security details sila, they wouldn't be in a position to know about these things. Naghahatid, sundo ka lang di ba? Okay, ito naman ngayon. There is this statement of Kaufman directly contradicting that. Di ba sinasabi niya, meron daw isa nagsabi na the ICC people provide the witnesses, the list, then pinafacilitate yun. Kabaliktaran yan nung kiniklaim nito nila Baligod and this 18 ex-soldiers. So, which is which? Claim na ni Kaufman yun doon sa kanyang presentation Di ba? Na the list of the witnesses came from the ICC. So, ayun na ngayon ang problema sa script. Nagkakabuhol-buhol na.
So you did not handpick witnesses and send it to them?
I wouldn't know where to start. Ang witnesses na alam ko is yung alam ko lang, Matobato, Las Cañas, and a few others. Pero daan-daan yung mga witnesses na yan eh. It's impossible for me to oversee all of these things. Matindi, very thorough mag-imbestiga ang ICC. Marami silang mga anggulong hindi ko possibly makukuha. At marami, hindi lang naman ako ang tumutulong to provide the witnesses. Marami pang iba na gumagawa niyan.